Hey guys, welcome to Clixcorner. So, we've just had some more information leaked about the WWE Heroclix set that's coming out, and the only thing that excited me more than the prospect of making a video talking about the further information we've been given was the prospect of making a WWE Heroclix Smash or Pass video. Now, today I haven't put the Smash or Pass sculpt into Tinder bios. The simple reason for that is that it is 10 minutes to 1 in the morning in the UK right now. But I knew I wasn't going to be able to make the video tomorrow because I'm going to be busy all day, so I thought I'd better get it straight out. So now, it's time to play the game. And the game is WWE Heroclix Smash or Pass. Okay, so first up we've got Triple H, otherwise that segue would have been a bit rubbish, wouldn't it? Yeah, this guy's looking pretty good. I have this weird feeling he's going to be a figure that allows you, spawns 1 square of water terrain. He looks pretty cool. I'm going to give him a smash. If you smash! It's a very vascular looking rock. He's kind of got a lot of sort of strain marks on his neck and that. It's not bad sculpt at all. Just doesn't really look like him. Kind of looks like a figure of him that's not being sculpted off the actual bloke. But it's not bad. I'm gonna smash this because I think passing it would be harsh. Fuck me, Eddie Guerrero's in the set. Sculpt could have been a lot better. I would have preferred him in green. It looks a lot better in green, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna smash it just because he's in the set. That's quite surprising. Ric Flair. Now this is not a bad sculpt at all, but it's Ric Flair. This could have been just so much better, and it's kind of really meh. I'm gonna have to pass on that, I'm afraid, Rick. Randy Savage. Nah, I've always liked the sculpt. From the moment the sculpt was previewed, I've liked this sculpt. And I feel like this flight stand he's got, and you'll see it on a couple more sculpts as we go through, because there's a couple more like it. I think there's going to be a finisher move mechanic in the game, personally. But yeah, so anyway, Randy Savage, that's a smash from me. The Trash Man! That's not the Trash Man. It's Andre the Giant. That's not Danny DeVito. Looks terrible. This just looks awful. There's no getting around that. The face is horrible. But at least they didn't go with the giant afro thing, because Andre just looked terrible with the big afro. I'm sorry, big guy. It is Andre the Giant though, so I will end up getting this. I'm going to pass on the sculpt though. Ooh, the phenomenal AJ Styles. With a huge receding hairline and an enormous mouth that covers half of his face. Probably could have left his mouth shut, really. He normally has his mouth shut when he's doing his pose thing, doesn't he? I'm going to pass on that as well. It was, it wasn't a difficult sculpt to do, but that mouth is just humongous. Okay, Trish Stratus. It's not a bad sculpt. It kind of looks a lot like Lady Shiva from Joker's Wild. It's kind of like The Rock. I don't want to smash or pass this, really, to be honest. I'm not really bothered either way. I guess smash. It looks nice enough. Doesn't look bad, we can say. It's a flying dog! I thought that maybe you've taken him out. But I guess not. As much as I love dogs in Heroclix, I don't think Roman Reigns is going to be one I'm going to be chasing after. It's not a bad sculpt though, but you see what I mean? He's got a flight stand, for a Superman punch type thing. Yeah, that's actually a really good sculpt, actually, to be honest, for Roman Reigns. For how boring he is, it's really good. I'm gonna smash that. What the fuck? Oh god, that's bad. Now, I'm not a Big Show fan, but that is bad. I can't quite put my finger on what his face looks like. Is it Mad Dog Vachon I'm thinking of? Or maybe the guy who played Mandarin in Iron Man 3. It's not fucking the Big Show though, whoever it is. Yeah, that's a pass. Yeah, that doesn't look like Finn Balor either. Again, we've got this enormous mouth. I think we have already had a preview. I think in the preview he was in demon paint, so there's going to be the 2 different versions, so that's nice. Not a big fan of Balor anyway. I'm going to pass. Sasha Banks. I suppose it could have been in a bit more colour to this, but it's not a bad sculpt at all, I guess. There's I'll probably smash that. Ronda Rousey. I like Ronda, to be honest with you guys. I think she divides opinion, but I'm in the like portion. And I don't think this is a bad sculpt, so I'm gonna smash that. Whoa! No way they gave the Undertaker the little fucking symbol thing. That is cool as fuck. Oh, that is cool. Oh, smash all day long. All day long. All day, man. Whoa! And they gave Kane the fucking pyro. Oh. Actually, I mean, maybe we need a bigger image to see, see the Kane mask properly, but it kind of doesn't look like him. It doesn't look like his mask. But it's Kane, so I'll smash. And by God, it's Stone Cold! Yeah, Stone Cold is always going to get a smash from me. Yeah. Definitely a smash there. Okay, so thank you for watching this episode of WWE Click Smash or Pass. Thank you for your support on the first Heroclix Smash or Pass video. I really do appreciate it. I've been wanting to do another one of these, but it just hasn't quite clicked yet. DC Rebirth, I really wasn't quite feeling it. But whatever, we got there in the end. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.